you're going to get 3 tips on how to become a successful scalping trader. And I'm going to do it in just 3 minutes. And if you're nice to me, I'll even throw in a bonus at the end, which will 10x your results on those first 3 tips. Tip number 1. With scalping, we're looking for quick profits, quick trades. I love scalping because I like quick money. So the thing that we're doing is we're going from, think of it like baseball. You're just going one base at a time. You're going to first base, and then you steal second base, and then go to third base, and then home. At each one of those is a separate trade. We're not going for doubles, triples, home runs, or grand slams. So in trading, how that works is we're looking for significant, and I mean, this is where it becomes very critical. You must understand what are significant support levels, what are significant resistance levels. And that's all we're going for. That's like first base to second base. And one other thing that ties in with that is when to buy off of that support. That's where timing comes in. So 2 skills. Number 1, identify major support resistance, not minor. And number 2, when to buy off that support. In fact, as an extra gift, I'll give you my timing indicator. Tip number 2, there are 2 major ratios in trading: risk-reward ratio and win-loss ratio. In scalping, we are focused on the win-loss ratio. We're focused on getting more winners than losers. That is the key. So unlike trend trading, where we're concerned about risk-reward ratio, we're looking for our winners to be bigger than our losers, that's not necessarily the case for scalping. And so your risk-reward ratio could just be 1-to-1, and that's okay because, again, we're just looking for lots and lots and lots of little winners to add up. And by the way, the advantage to that is we're taking the same money, we're allocating those same dollars over and over and over and over, and we're able to multiply. Think of it as kind of compound interest. Number 3, for scalping, you need to be fast. You need to make quick decisions. You don't have a lot of time to think or deliberate. And this is why scalping is not necessarily for everybody. So you need to evaluate, well, is my personality the type of personality where I can make quick decisions, or am I the type of person who likes to deliberate, think about things, create checklists? With scalping, you don't have time to do that. So it has to become almost built into your neurology, where you make these fast, not only decisions, but you just have pattern recognition. You've got to do a lot of reps on a simulator, a demo account, until it becomes second nature, and it's just there. You don't have to think about it. Okay, I promised you a bonus tip, and here it is. With scalping, it's all about speed. And so you must leverage technology. So it's not just about technical analysis, it's about the technology of your hardware, your software, your broker, your connection. Remember, it's all about speed. So you have to have a computer that operates very, very, very quickly. You need to have software that's very streamlined and very fast. You need to have a fast connection from your computer to, hopefully, to the exchange directly, because if it's routed through broker, clearinghouse, all that kind of stuff, it slows it down. I mean, we are talking literally a second can make the difference between beating someone else's trade or not. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get access to all the videos here on my YouTube channel, all for free, my gift to you. So have a great rest of the day and happy trades. Get my free indicator, which is already hidden in your trading platform, that answers the question, where exactly should I enter my trades? Go to entryindicator.com and I'll show you exactly how to use it for precision entries.